How to deposit a check with Bank of America mobile application. If you guys are wondering how, here's how you do it. First of all, head over to the application, log in into the application using your credentials, so your user ID and your password. And once you've entered up, here you will be finding this. So what you need to do is look out for deposit checks option. In the bottom of your screen, you should be finding different tabs such as account, pay, and transfer. And at the third, we should be finding deposit checks. You may locate it up and tap on it, and once you tap on it, it gives you option to take a picture of your check. You can just go ahead and select a picture, like click a picture of the front of the check and provide another essential document. And once you have provided the original document and the picture of the check, you may select up where you would like to deposit it into, like which bank. After that, the amount that you would like to deposit, and tap on submit. And once that is done, you will be confirming that, so you can confirm it by clicking on done, and there you go. So this is how you make a deposit of your check using Bank of America app. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.